Hey, it's Thursday, which means it's our Thursday Q&A question of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we have a question from Elizabeth. And she asks, what's the quickest, most effective workout to do at a gym after work when you're tired? Great question. This is something that I can relate to after working 12-hour shifts and still going to the gym after work. Obviously, I don't want to be there all day, and so there's something that I use called supersets. For my first superset, I'll have two different exercises, an exercise A and an exercise B. Let's say my exercise A are bicep curls with dumbbell weights, and my exercise B are bicep curls with barbell weights. What I'll end up doing is 10 repetitions of my A exercise, wait for 15 seconds to rest, and then immediately go into my B exercise for 10 more repetitions, and that's going to be called one superset. So you'll quickly notice that with these superset exercises, you don't need a whole lot of weight. When I do superset exercises, usually using a low to moderate weight, and so what that's going to do is that's going to help to build muscular endurance, more like a muscular cardio, and it's also going to help you to build that lean muscle that fat hates. And as usual, I had a blast making this video for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap the subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.